Hello learners. In this video we will learn various loops like forEach, forIn, and forOf loops. Watch this video till the end. Let's first discuss the for loop, as all the loops we are going to talk about in this video are related to the for loop in some way. In this example we start from the first element where I is initialized as 0. The loop runs till the last index. In this case, it runs until array.length -1, which means till index 2. This is exactly what we wanted. Now let's look at the forOf loop. The forOf loop iterates directly over the values of the array. In the forOf loop we just need to focus on the values, not the index. Let's proceed to the forIn loop. Basically, the forIn loop was designed for objects, not arrays. Now the most important and most commonly used loop, the forEach loop. In the forEach loop we get the values in key-value pairs. Here you will get both the value and the index. The forEach loop is a very important loop and can be used in various ways. We can also use while loops and do-while loops with arrays. The syntax is the same as what we have discussed in earlier videos. If you haven't watched those videos, make sure to check them out. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.